Are you looking for a healthier way to enjoy your favorite baked goods? Imagine indulging in your favorite treats without the guilt. Look no further than almond flour. This versatile ingredient is not only a fantastic substitute for traditional wheat flour, but also brings a unique, nutty flavor to your recipes. This gluten-free flour alternative is taking the culinary world by storm. From professional chefs to home bakers, everyone is embracing almond flour for its incredible versatility and health benefits. People everywhere are discovering its amazing health benefits, plus it's incredibly delicious. Whether you're making cookies, cakes, or even savory dishes, almond flour can elevate your cooking to a whole new level. For those with gluten sensitivities, almond flour offers a welcome relief. It allows them to enjoy baked goods without worrying about adverse reactions, but its benefits extend far beyond being gluten-free. Almond flour is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber, which contribute to overall health and well-being. Almond flour can boost your heart health thanks to its high content of monounsaturated fats, which are known to reduce bad cholesterol levels. It can also help you manage your weight, as it is lower in carbohydrates and higher in protein compared to traditional flours. This makes it an excellent choice for those following a low-carb or ketogenic diet, and even fight off disease. The antioxidants in almond flour can help combat inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease. In this video, we'll delve into the wonderful world of almond flour. We'll explore its origins, nutritional profile, and the many ways you can incorporate it into your diet. Get ready to discover why this flour alternative should be a staple in your pantry. Not only is it healthy, but it also adds a delightful texture and flavor to your dishes. You'll learn how to use it in your favorite recipes. From breakfast to dinner and even dessert, almond flour can be a game changer in your kitchen. Get ready to experience the delicious and healthy difference of almond flour. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Almond flour is a simple, wholesome ingredient. It's made from just one thing, almonds. But these aren't your average almonds. They've been blanched to remove the skins. This gives the flour a finer texture and a milder flavor. The process of making almond flour is surprisingly straightforward. Blanched almonds are ground finely until they reach a powder-like consistency. That's it. No additives, preservatives, or artificial ingredients. Just pure, natural goodness. Almond flour's neutral flavor makes it incredibly versatile. It's a fantastic substitute for traditional wheat flour in countless recipes. From cakes and cookies to bread and muffins, the possibilities are endless. Almond flour isn't just delicious, it's incredibly nutritious. This versatile ingredient is gaining popularity not just for its taste, but for its impressive health benefits. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for good health. Almond flour is rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and manganese, which contribute to overall well-being. Let's take a closer look at the nutritional profile of this amazing flour alternative. Understanding its nutritional content can help you make informed dietary choices. One serving of almond flour, about 28 grams, contains 160 calories, 6 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat, which includes 9 grams of monounsaturated fat, known for its heart-healthy benefits, 3.5 grams of polyunsaturated fat, which is essential for brain function and cell growth, 1 gram of saturated fat, 6 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut, and 1 gram of sugar, making it a low-sugar option for those watching their sugar intake. As you can see, almond flour is a good source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining energy levels and supporting muscle repair. It's also low in carbohydrates and sugar, making it an excellent choice for people with diabetes or those following a low-carb diet. Its low glycemic index helps in managing blood sugar levels effectively. Incorporating almond flour into your meals can be a delicious and nutritious way to enhance your diet. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide, but the good news is that you can significantly reduce your risk with simple dietary changes. And one of the best changes you can make is incorporating almond flour into your diet. Almond flour is naturally high in monounsaturated fats. These healthy fats have been shown to lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL, and raise good cholesterol levels, HDL. This is a winning combination for a healthy heart, but the heart-healthy benefits don't stop there. Almond flour is also a good source of magnesium. This essential mineral plays a crucial role in regulating blood pressure. Keeping your blood pressure in check is vital for maintaining a healthy heart. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that almond flour may play a role in cancer prevention. This is likely due to its high concentration of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. One study found that almond consumption was associated with a reduced risk of breast cancer, while another study showed that almond extract could slow the growth of colon cancer cells. While these preliminary findings are promising, it's important to note that more research is needed to confirm the link between almond flour consumption and cancer prevention. However, the potential benefits combined with its already impressive nutritional profile make almond flour a wise choice for anyone looking to improve their overall health. For individuals with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels, almond flour can be a game changer. Unlike refined grains, almond flour has a low glycemic index. This means it doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels after eating. The low glycemic index of almond flour can be attributed to its high fiber content and healthy fat profile. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps prevent those dreaded sugar highs and crashes. By incorporating almond flour into your diet, you can enjoy your favorite baked goods without the guilt. It's a delicious and satisfying way to satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Trying to shed a few pounds? Almond flour can be your secret weapon. Its unique nutritional profile makes it an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. Firstly, almond flour is high in protein and fiber. Both of these nutrients are known to promote feelings of fullness and satiety. This means you'll feel satisfied for longer after eating, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Secondly, almond flour is low in carbohydrates. This is especially beneficial for those following a low-carb diet. By reducing your carbohydrate intake, you force your body to burn fat for energy, leading to weight loss. While almond flour offers a plethora of health benefits, it's important to be aware of potential risks and considerations. Understanding these can help you make informed decisions about incorporating almond flour into your diet. Firstly, almond flour is a common allergen. This means that for some individuals, consuming almond flour can trigger allergic reactions, which can range from mild to severe. If you have a known allergy to almonds or tree nuts, you should avoid almond flour completely. Allergic reactions can include symptoms such as itching, swelling, and even anaphylaxis, which is a life-threatening condition. Secondly, almond flour is calorie-dense. This means that while it is nutritious, it also contains a high number of calories in a small amount. While it can be a valuable tool for weight management, it's crucial to consume it in moderation. Overconsumption can lead to an excessive calorie intake, which might counteract your dietary goals. Finally, some people may experience digestive discomfort when consuming large amounts of almond flour. This is particularly true for those who are not used to high-fiber foods. This is due to its high fiber content. Fiber is essential for digestive health, but a sudden increase in fiber intake can cause bloating, gas, and other digestive issues. If you experience digestive issues, it's best to start with small amounts of almond flour and gradually increase your intake. This allows your digestive system to adjust to the higher fiber content. Overall, almond flour is a safe and healthy food for most people. It offers numerous benefits, including being gluten-free and rich in nutrients like vitamin E and magnesium. However, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine if it's right for you. They can provide personalized advice based on your health needs and dietary goals, ensuring that you can enjoy the benefits of almond flour without any adverse effects.